Hi, I'm Bruna. I'm an English teacher, but I'm also a passionate student of world history. In this video, we'll practice English while exploring the history of Egypt. To understand ancient Egypt, we need to start with one essential element, the Nile River. Ancient Egypt began over 5,000 years ago in northeastern Africa. It developed along the Nile River at a time when early civilizations were just beginning to form. The Nile River was the foundation of Egyptian civilization. Its floods enriched the soil and allowing agriculture to flourish in the middle of the desert. For the Egyptians, the Nile was not only a natural resource, but a sacred element connected to life itself. The Nile River shaped every aspect of ancient Egyptian life. Its regular flooding created predictable agricultural cycles, which allowed the Egyptians to plan, store food, and build a stable society. Because of the Nile, Egypt produced food surpluses. This surplus supported artisans, priests, administrators, and the development of complex institutions. The river also functioned as the main route of transportation, connecting Upper and Lower Egypt and strengthening political unity. For the Egyptians, the Nile represented order and balance in a harsh environment. Its reliability reinforced the belief that nature and the divine world were deeply connected. Thanks to the Nile, ancient Egypt developed stability, prosperity, and a strong sense of order. But this sense of order was not only economic or political, it was also deeply religious. To understand how the Egyptians explained and protected this order, we must now look at religion and the role of the pharaoh. However, we'll explore that in our next lesson. See you then! If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment below.